We'll bring the other leg back again and we'll do the fundamental knee pressures. Put your right hand on your thigh so that my hand is about where my thigh meets my knee. Trying to maintain the neutral position of the pelvis, fill the body up with air. And as you exhale, press your thigh back into your hand and press your hand against your thigh while breathing out and trying to deepen through the front of the body. As you breathe in, release that effort. Easy thigh, easy arm. Then exhale, regroup it. I'm moving my thigh back against my hand and I'm pressing my hand into my thigh, and that's pulling the front of the body inward. I'm just trying to find a deeper connection through my middle by creating some opposition. With an inhale, release the effort. With an exhale, regroup it one more time, pressing the knee back into the hand and the hand against the knee, pulling down through the front of the body, nice and strong, and then put that foot down. I tend to only teach about 3 of those because I find if I do too many more, it really does fatigue the quad and the hip flexors. And so I just do about 3 repetitions. Inhale to prepare. We have the other leg. Thigh bone into hand, hand into the thigh, deepening down through my core. Inhale, release that effort. Exhale, regroup it. Thigh into hand, hand into thigh. Release the effort, breathing in. One more time, exhale. Now place that foot down. We're going to do a similar exercise, but I do it with a cross action. You're going to take this right leg, hold it up, and then the left hand, it's on the inside of that leg. So I have basically the heel of my hand on the inside of my thigh and my fingertips kind of on the inside of my calf. From here, you breathe in. And as you breathe out, you're pressing your hand into your thigh and your thigh into your hand, and you're thinking of drawing in through the sides like an hourglass shape. With an inhale, you release that effort. With an exhale, you regroup it. Thigh into hand, hand into thigh, and that really helps me to draw my sides in to find a connection through my obliques. I breathe in and release that effort, and I breathe out and do it one more time. Exhaling as I press my hand into my leg and my leg into my hand and think of drawing my sides in like an hourglass shape. And I'll put that foot down. The other one comes up. Heel of the hand is on the thigh area, fingertips towards my calf. Breathe in, I prepare. And as I breathe out, I'm pressing the hand into the thigh and the thigh into the hand and thinking of suctioning my sides in. With an inhale, I release that effort. With an exhale, I regroup it. With an inhale, I release the effort. And with the exhale, I regroup it. From here, I'm going to release and bring my feet down. Now, to get an opportunity to kind of get those connections without having to press on my hands and knees, I'm going to do it with by breathing. So inhale, fill the body up with air. And then as you exhale, think of using the muscles that took you into a pelvic tilt. Just don't pelvic tilt. Think of using the muscles that you felt when you pressed your hands to your knees and your knees to your hands. And think of the muscles that you felt when you did the knee pressures cross action, where you pressed your knees in against the hand and the sides suctioned in.